Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I want to share with you some great Zoom tips and tricks to speed up your workflow. Make sure to watch till the end. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon to get the latest updates. Are you done? Okay, let's get started. If you are working on Photoshop, you need to learn how to navigate and scroll images. Using these tricks you can speed up your workflow and navigate images like a pro. Zoom with the scrubby slider. When first opening your images on Photoshop, the basic zoom will be set to fit the entire screen and you can see the current zoom level in the document tab right at the top or in the bottom left corner. From here we can change the zoom level by double-clicking on the current value to highlight it, then we enter a new value, then click enter for the new zoom level. Hover your cursor over the zoom level in the lower left, and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Your cursor will change to a scrubby slider that you can drag to the right to zoom in, or drag to the left to zoom out. Use the keyboard shortcuts. Thankfully, each command has a keyboard shortcut. And these are two of the most useful shortcuts in Photoshop to memorize. To zoom in, press and hold the Ctrl key or the Command key on a Mac. And then press the plus sign. And to zoom out, hold the Ctrl key or Command on a Mac and press the minus sign. If you continue zooming in and the zoom level jumps to 50%, then 66.7%, and then 100%. And if you Ctrl and plus repeatedly to zoom out, the zoom level jumps from 100% back to 66.7%, then 50%, 33.3%, and then back to 25%. These are not random values. These are the zoom levels that give us the most accurate view of the image. Anytime we're viewing the image at a zoom level less than 100%, we're not seeing all of the pixels. So Photoshop needs to redraw the image with fewer pixels while still trying to make it look as accurate as possible. So whenever you need a sharper view of your image, use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl and plus. Using the zoom tool. This tool is actually the best because we can control which part of the image we are zooming into. You can select the zoom tool found near the bottom of the toolbar. You can also select the zoom tool from your keyboard by pressing the letter Z. When the zoom tool is active, your mouse cursor changes to a magnifying glass with a plus sign in the middle. Click on the area with the zoom tool to zoom in, and click repeatedly to zoom in closer. The zoom tool uses the same preset values as the zoom in and zoom out commands that we looked at earlier, so you're getting the most accurate view. To zoom out with the zoom tool, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard or the Option key on a Mac. The plus sign will change to a minus sign, then click on an area to zoom out, and click repeatedly to zoom out further. That's it everyone, and if you want to navigate and scroll your images like a pro, make sure you learn how to use the scrubby slider, keyboard shortcuts and also the zoom tool. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Till next time.